Alright, today I'm going to show you how to do a full wrap design on a 20-ounce skinny tumbler using the Thunderbolt laser and the Rotobolt rotary. Now, spoiler alert, I didn't quite get it perfect. My measurements were off just slightly. All I need to do is adjust my template and then it will be fine. It's literally like 1/8 of an inch off, so it's not the end of the world. And if it wasn't for the checkers, you wouldn't even be able to tell that it was off at all. I'm Ashley and this is Elsa here on Chip Builds, and so let's jump in. We're using a 20-ounce powder-coated tumbler from the brand makerflo crafts. They have a bunch of different powder-coated option tumblers in various sizes. And the really cool thing is it comes with a silicone straw and a care card for instructions for what to do for the tumbler. Okay, so I'm here in Adobe Illustrator and I have my artwork for my tumbler ready to go. I've already made this template and I will have this available on Etsy and Creative Fabrica if you guys want to make this same exact project for yourself. So what I'm going to do, since I'm an illustrator, I'm going to hit Command Copy and I'm going to come over here into Lightburn and I'm going to hit Command V, and if you're on a Windows, it'll be Control, and that will paste my artwork in here. So what I do for the tumblers is I like to center the origin in the middle here, but so since our tumbler is sideways in the laser, we got to move our artwork sideways as well. And then you can see here over on the right side that we do have the origin in the center of the right. So if you're looking down into the laser, that's what it looks like. So depending on if you import your artwork from Inkscape or Illustrator, you might have to go into the settings tab and come down here to file settings. And over here, you can see my SVG import settings is 72 for Illustrator. But if you have Inkscape, you might need to click it to that. And so if you've been having problems of where your artwork is coming in at the wrong size from whatever vector program that you've made it in, that could be the issue. The settings I'm using is 200 speed and 95 power. Now I know it seems like a lot for my laser, but I think it might have to do because I have to put my laser into an extension cord. I can't do anything about it. That's just the way. So I think maybe not enough power gets to it. So I do feel like my settings are a little bit more aggressive than some of the other people on YouTube here who also have the Thunderbolt laser. But so once that's ready, we can hit send to the laser and then we can start engraving our tumbler. So since we set up the artwork in Lightburn, it was time to send it to the laser. And really, this thing engraved like butter. I love watching the laser engrave tumblers. It's so mesmerizing. So now that the tumbler was done engraving, next we had to clean off all the different soot that came on it. So this really just takes a little bit of elbow grease, and I used some Dawn Power Wash degreaser and a Scrub Daddy brush. A lot of people in the past have used LA Awesome or even Barkeeper's Friend. I've had no problem with the Dawn degreaser specifically, but you might want to do some trial and error of your own different cleaning processes to see what works for you. So this one, my settings were off slightly because the original pass, I did 300 speed and not 200 speed. So it did take quite a bit of elbow grease, but in the end, we actually got it done. Well, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. I am super obsessed with my Thunderbolt laser. I can't recommend this laser enough for if you're just starting out in your laser journey or you're upgrading from like a Glowforge or an X tool or something. If you want to use this design for yourself, I'll have it in my Etsy shop and also on like Creative Fabrica and stuff. So definitely check the links down below. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.